Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to integrate custom forms in Shopify. So basically, we'll be using Shopify and MailChimp to integrate your contact form. So basically, this is the contact form. This is the basic contact form here on your Shopify. To integrate this, then what you're going to do is go back to your Shopify, and then this time you have to look for the application. In the apps, you have to go to Shopify App Store and then search for MailChimp. So in MailChimp, you can create different templates for your sign up form or for any form. Search for MailChimp and then press enter. Now install MailChimp to your Shopify. All you have to do is tap on install right here. Just follow the instruction. Once installed, then you have to go back to your Shopify and then click MailChimp again. Now you need to log in. Of course, you must have your MailChimp account already, so that all you need to do here is just sync your MailChimp to your Shopify. So tap on sync now, and then you need to basically authorize. Once you are logged in or once you have synced your MailChimp to your Shopify, then you can open your MailChimp inside your Shopify. Now go to your forms right here. You can choose from any. And then once done, then all you have to do is go to the embed section, embed form. All you have to do here is just copy the URL. So you can add a name first, for example, this one, and then proceed. Now, what you're going to do is you have to basically copy this. So this is your form URL. Once done, go back to your Shopify and then look for pages. You will see here, contact us. Click this one right here, and then you have to look for the HTML here. In order for you to paste the code, click this one, and then you can change the name to title. Everything is up to you. Tap this one right here and then paste the code. After that, tap on save. Once done, you can preview and you will see the result like this. And basically, that's how to integrate custom forms in Shopify. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.